Absolutely beautiful, man. Look at this. Look at this. It's fucking gorgeous. Also, I won't wait too much out, but look how amazing that house is. Like, I don't want to disturb people's privacy, but it's a lovely house. Ooh, I've never gone this way. Chat, do you know what? I say we're going on an adventure. I'm taking a new route. This is the route we're taking. Holy shit, this is actually gorgeous, mate. This is actually so beautiful. Moo moos. Look, they're all looking. Hello.
Bigger than this.
I've never touched a cow.
They all came to have a look at the dog.
Oh, they're actually so cute. Oh, it's me. Hello, my name's Alex. My name's Alex. What's your name? I'm gonna call you Mary, Berry, Jerry, Kerry, and Larry. There we go. Can't believe how friendly they are. Hello, mate. Hello, mate. Oh, he's so sweet.